And this, lovely people, Christmas bush. Beautiful people.
Yeah, girl.
We spent 4 years.
I spent my whole day.
I try to save it and I make it worse.
We're making meringue roll with strawberries and crystallized rose petals. So from 1 to 10, how comfortable are you guys in the kitchen?
2?
Really?
A 6.
That is 6.
We immediately start with the most difficult part, and that's the dessert.
It's a science.
So guys, if you're looking and you're not subscribed already, subscribe, it's for free. Put the notifications on. Meringue is like 2 ingredients. It's egg white and sugar. Really important first step, if we're making meringue, everything should be really clean. So you start by putting the egg white.
Okay, you go?
Fenne suiker also inside.
Good job.
What we're gonna do, I got it at my flower shop. I know you like flowers.
We're obsessed with flowers.
Yeah? You always have flowers in your house?
But you let them die. Oh, it's your own plate?
These are the plates I made, yeah, with my...
Oh, nice.
So you need 3 things: petals, egg white, fine sugar, a little egg white, and then you put it here, and then you take this like little pincette. Let's go.
We're gonna do a joke for sure. Zeg. Oh shit. Maar leuk, papa.
So we will do a test to see when is the meringue ready. You take a little bit between your thumb, and if you feel sugar, it's not ready. Do we feel sugar?
No.
It's all gone. You can go on with the flowers, you guys.
Okay, we chef.
We chef. You mix that up. Did you guys ever work with a posh? We're gonna do it afterwards. We will. This looks sexy, right? No gluten inside.
No gluten.
Only love.
I'm just with you. I'm with you. Yeah, girl.
This is
Yeah,
the best,
girl.
right? It shouldn't be too thin here and too thick there. Choose one.
The shape, you
Some
mean?
detail. And you just make swirls. Wow. We put it in the oven. So, this is good. Huh? No lactose, then it's easy. You go to plant. This is coconut. Coconut is like so good. So just 1 spoon. I made another decoration if you would like to do it.
I never do this.
First time mixing egg whites, folks. Woo! If you have some questions, put it in the comments.
You try?
Oh shit.
Maar lee, jongens toch. Maar lee, dat is zo lelijk.
Oh my god, smiley.
Shit. I try to save it and I make it worse.
Confident.
Okay.
Confidence. Layer of this coconut cream. It's a little fluffy. Pistachio.
How can you describe how home energy be?
Home energy is crazy.
It's crazy.
You're crazy.
You cannot say this on TV.
I mean, really responsible.
I'm in the middle of something here. Some raspberries. They were frozen. Flip it over.
That's it.
That's it. If you want to cut off the end.
I can assist you. Help.
You take this off. There's another one coming. You can taste them. What's it saying?
Bring it on, baby.
Tell me the gluten thing.
I've been gluten-free for like
4 years?
years now.
She went to see another doctor 3 weeks ago and said,
That told me you can't have gluten, you can't have lactose. Actually, I can eat gluten.
And lactose.
And lactose, so we spent 4 years.
I spent my whole day making gluten-free, lactose-free, and this girl.
it's last week, we know this.
But it's fine because there's so many people out there struggling with the same thing. For real. Okay, let's finish this baby up. So we put some cream. We put some snow there. And this, lovely people,
Nice one.
proper Christmas bush.
Okay, that's some serious level, huh?
So lovely people, this is the dessert of the classic menu. If you want the total menu, subscribe to the newsletter. And this recipe is on my website. Thank you guys, beautiful people. Vous n'êtes pas prêts hein, pour ces gens. Regardez comme ils sont beaux. Give the plates.
Call her summer.
Look at this. So people, the meringue is so fluffy. Tomorrow it's his birthday. Let's sing! Happy birthday to you! Hurrah! 1, 2, 3.